So keeping with the theme that we've been doing these little easy wins to get us going, working on the car, we're gonna go ahead and swap out these mirrors. These are really early models. This has kind of got that M3 style. So another really quick, easy win. We just want to get in the habit of actually just working on the car, making progress today. How you start to take this thing off to get to the bolts to actually install the mirror is that there's gonna be two clips right here. You're gonna insert a flat screwdriver from the top right here, and that's gonna pop this first one out. You're gonna keep pushing down, it'll pop the second one out, and then you can kind of see the whole thing actually slides up and out. So pull it like that and up, and the whole thing will come out. So that's how you do that. That'll expose the 3 bolts, 10 millimeters, to swap this out. Unplug this connector. That's pretty clear. I mean, look at that, huh? Looks good. Same connectors, plug and play. Doesn't get any easier than that.
How much horsepower do you think you gain from the Aero?
It's the confidence, it's the confidence that it gives you for that extra 5. So the hardware is provided, obviously, but notice the length of ratchet that I'm using. Very demure.
Very demure.
A little bit, just a flick of the wrist. Huge difference. Huge difference. I'm sure that one's more aerodynamic too, but still, aesthetically, really cool mod. Doesn't take too long. Let's do the other side.